Welcome back. In this video I will do an experiment with Chinese padlocks. Stay until the end of the video and find out what are the weaknesses of Chinese padlocks. For this experiment we will need rebar pliers and a Chinese padlock. As you can see here, this padlock doesn't stand a chance. The pliers will cut them with ease in just a few seconds. Here we will need a car jack and pieces of bent rebar. I'll jam the padlock and start lifting the crane. Here the padlock has shown greater durability. It simply stretches and is much stronger than the previous padlock. After a long time, the padlock broke. I have a small padlock that almost all of us use in our room or office. This padlock is easy to open because it only has one pin. You can see it on the key. We will need a sewing needle on which to make a hook, as you can see. I will make the letter T out of this jar lid. Then I'll push the tip into the small opening between the padlock and turn it 360 degrees to open the padlock. This method is the most reliable and will not damage your padlock. I will use a saw blade and then hit it with a hammer to damage the inner teeth. The padlock will not work after this experiment. Thank you for watching the video. Click subscribe and leave your opinion about this video in the comments. I'm waiting for you.